What's up YouTube, Jeff back again from DopeTechDaily.com. Today I'm bringing you guys my Galaxy Note 9 must-have accessories video. Now these are a lot of accessories that I use personally on my Galaxy Note 9 on a day-to-day basis. A bunch of stuff that I bought, some things that were actually sent to me by sponsors, by people that actually send me cases. If I do have anything that was sent to me for free, I will mention that. All the links will be in the description below if you want to check out a product or purchase it. And if I forget to put something, just remind me. So let's get right into it because I got a lot of stuff. The Galaxy Note 9, of course, is a very expensive phone. Let me go ahead and take mine out of the case that I have on it right now. Very expensive phone. I spent $1,250 plus tax on the model with 512 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. You're going to want to protect that. I use a case on my phone at all times. There's a lot of options, and I want to show you guys a bunch of options. I will review some of these in separate videos, but I have all of the standard, Samsung official cases here. You got the LED wallet cover, very expensive case, it's like 65 bucks. The rugged protective cover, which I actually like quite a bit. This one kind of looks like Samsonite luggage, but has a kickstand built in. I think that one's 35 bucks. And then the silicone cover, which is the cheapest cover that Samsung offers, is like $29.99. One hint, if you want to get some of these cases, Best Buy does have a deal where if you buy 3 accessories, you get 25% off the whole thing. So if you want to buy some Samsung cases, you can buy a couple of cheap cables as well and get a lot of money off of the more expensive cases. I also reviewed the official Clearview cover. If you guys want to check out the video on that, my review of the Clearview cover is already up on YouTube if you want to take a look at that. Now, the other cases that I've talked about are third-party cases, and I still got quite a few of these that I'll review as well. The first one I want to talk about here is Speck. So Speck sent me a couple of cases. They sent me their Presidio grip, which is great. Has these grooves so it doesn't slide around if you sit it on a dashboard or a table. And the Presidio clear case, which shows off the color of your phone. Again, I'll make a video talking about these in more detail later as well. And then I have some from my other favorite third-party OEMs. We have UAG and Tech 21. These are both great cases for drop protection. I also have the UAG Plasma case, which is the clear one that I was rocking on my Galaxy Note 9 at the beginning of the video. All of these are very good for drop protection, as well as the Speck cases. Personally, I like them better than the first-party Samsung cases. They're more affordable and they give you better protection overall. And then, if you're looking for some cases that are a little bit cheaper, my friends at VRS Design sent me out a selection of their cases. They've got the High Pro Shield, which I've been using on my phones for a very long time. This one has the blue border around the outside, which looks great with a blue note. They've got the Crystal Fit label, as well as the Single Fit label. These kind of have the Samsonite look, just like the Samsung protective cover, but they're quite a bit cheaper. I think these are $19.99 on VRS Design's website. So a lot of options for cases. Again, I'll drop the links below if you want to check those out so that you can see what kind of cases I rock on a daily basis. Now, to go along with that, a lot of people got mad at me last year when I made this video for not including tempered glass somewhere in my must-have video. I don't personally use a screen protector or tempered glass on my devices, which is why I didn't mention it. But this is a must-have accessory for a lot of people out there, so I do recommend, if you're the kind of person who wants tempered glass, to go out and pick one up. And if you want that extra protection, I just don't like the way it feels particularly, but this is one that VRS Design sent me out. There's also some very good selections from Whitestone Dome as well. I know a lot of people love those. I'm not going to use this one myself because, like I said, I don't want to mislead you guys and say that I use something that I don't. I'm not a huge fan of tempered glass, so I'm going to give this away. If anybody wants this tempered glass right here from VRS Design for their Note 9, just hit me up on Twitter. So if you've been following me for a long time, I'll just pick one person to give it away to. Probably if it's someone who's been, on the channel for a while, that'll be whoever gets this. But anyway, tempered glass, a great investment. They are a little expensive, but if you're someone who's prone to drop your phone, it's definitely a good way to go. So to go along with those two things, if you don't have a case on your device, or even if you're at home and you like to leave a case off of your device, which is what I like to do when I'm at home, so I can see the beautiful blue color of my Galaxy Note 9 here, what I like to have, of course, at all times is a microfiber cleaning cloth. So you can see here, I buy a 20-pack of these on Amazon. These do get fingerprints on them very easily, especially the back here, the glass, it doesn't always have the best oleophobic coating. The Note 9 is actually a lot better than the Note 8 in my opinion, especially the blue model. Doesn't show fingerprints quite as badly, but I do recommend having these microfibers, and Amazon sells a 20-pack for about 15 to 20 bucks. There's another really cool device that I've reviewed before, which is called the iRoller, which is a little sticky sort of roller that you can roll to get fingerprints and dust off your device if you don't want to carry the microfiber cloths. I could not find my iRoller, so I'm gonna have to order another one, but I will link one of my previous videos where I talked about it. If you guys do want to check it out, it is a great little device. If you don't want to have to keep carrying microfiber cloth, you can just carry the one iRoller around at all times. So that's pretty much protection and outer care of your device. Next, let's talk about some other accessories you're going to want to use on a day-to-day basis. First one, a micro SD card. I recommend the Evo Plus. Now, of course, this device already has a ton of storage, either 256 gigs, or sorry, 128 gigs, or 512 gigs if you bought the upgraded model. But it's always good to have an external storage so that you can store photos and transfer photos back and forth between a computer and your device. Samsung's Evo Plus is very fast and also very affordable on Amazon. This is a 128 gig model. I have a bunch of these in 128, 256. They even make a 512, so if you want to add a 512 to the upper Note 9, you can even get a 1 terabyte storage on your device, which is pretty cool. The next thing is charging. So there's a lot of things that you're going to want to consider for charging. The first one is a portable charger. So this one I really like from my friends at Tilt. This portable charger here has one nice advantage, is it has both cables. So this one here has USB Type-C cable, so you can actually charge your Note 9. It also has the USB-A cable, so you can plug it in to some other sort of wall charger to charge up the portable charger itself. So you don't have to carry around a separate cable at all to charge up your battery charger or to charge your phone. Everything is integrated right here, and the cables just fold in. It has a little button here with the LEDs. I think mine's dead right here. There's 4 LEDs that indicate how much battery you have left here on the portable charger. There's a lot of options for portable chargers. Samsung has some, but they're very expensive, like 60 bucks. I wouldn't pay that for a first-party charger. You can find these for pretty cheap nowadays. The next charging thing is for your car. So obviously you might want to have access to your phone while you're in the car. You don't want to be using your hands to mess around with the phone. Get yourself a mount that also has wireless charging. This is my friends at iAudi. They did send this out. Easy one-touch wireless. I've used a variant of this in my car for quite a while. This is the one that goes in the air vent. They also have ones that go in the dash. Things like that if you don't want to have it in the air vent. Whatever is more convenient for you. CD player as well, you can slide it right in there. This is just one of the models. Highly recommend, again, one that you can find on Amazon for a good price. And if you use your phone a lot in the car, this is really an invaluable asset to have. So the next two things then kind of go hand in hand. So I'll talk about the first one, and then I'll lead me into the second one. Samsung did release a new wireless charger duo, which is right here. Fast wireless charging for your phone, as well as a Samsung Watch. So if you want to pick this up, it's $119. Like I said, Best Buy has a deal. You get 25% off 3 accessories. This is included, so I got 25% off and I paid $89.99, something like that for this. This is really a great accessory if you decide to go and get my third must-have accessory add-on, and that is the Galaxy Watch. So I did buy the Galaxy Watch. It's right here. I will have a review of this on the channel coming up. If you do get the Galaxy Watch, having the Samsung Duo charger where you can just sit this on here at night right on your bedside, it's going to look like this when you're charging up the phone and the watch at the same time. It's a really, really cool thing to have if you do have the watch. Now, the watch itself doesn't offer a lot of advantages over the Gear S3 Frontier or the Gear S Sport, but if you do want to go out and get the latest and greatest watch that's going to be supported for the longest time, the Gear Duo is really cool. And it also works with those later watches if you decide you don't want to upgrade. If you don't want to get the Galaxy Watch, maybe you want to get a Gear Sport or get a Gear S3 Frontier for a reduced price. You can still go out and buy the Duo charger, and then you can use it. It has fast wireless charging built in, which is the big advantage of this device. All right, guys, so that's about it for my must-have accessories for the Galaxy Note 9. I know I covered a lot of things really quickly, so if you want to check out the links in the description, if there's anything you want more information on, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. Find me at dopetechdaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter, the links in the description. Also find me writing at gadgethacks.com, where I write about Android. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.